Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing great. I'm doing great. This is going to be a new series of videos of where I'm going to be showing you just singular steps of a sewing process, and this is going to be the first video of that. So, in certain tutorials, I may not go into depth about how to do a singular step, or I may speed it through. And if you do get confused about it, these videos will be reference points for you, and then you can learn it in one video in greater detail, and then use them for many future projects. In the first episode of this series, I will be showing you how to make an adjustable strap. So if you don't know how to make one yet, or you're not sure, just keep on watching, and by the end of it, you should be a pro. So in this mini lesson, we're going to be making a 1-inch wide adjustable strap. And we'll be starting off with a 4-inch wide by 44-inch long piece of fabric. You can have it a little bit longer or a little bit shorter. That'll determine the length of your strap. And then also a 6.5 to 6-inch piece of fabric by 4 inches. And then this is the hardware that you'll need, 3 pieces. After you have your fabric cut, we're going to go into the iron. And first we'll start off with this little piece, and we're going to cut this little piece in half eventually, but we'll start off by folding it in half and ironing it down, and then unfolding it, and then folding the edges into the center. So it gives you 1 inch on one side, 1 inch on the other side. And then you're going to fold this into half. So right now it's 2 inches. And you're going to fold it in half one more time, and that's going to give you 1 inch. And then you're going to sew on either side of it. First on the side that opens it up, and then on the other side for uniformity, I did it with a 1 centimeter seam allowance. And I do the exact same thing to the long piece of fabric, but on this one, I do make one of the edges pretty by folding in about half an inch. I fold in on the one of the edges, and then I fold it in half, iron it down, and then you'll do the same thing as you did to that little piece of fabric, half and then into the center, and then fold it in half again to give you 1 inch. And you'll also be sewing this one together the same way, just with a I did a 1 centimeter seam allowance, and I did straight stitch on both sides just for uniformity. First I do the side that opens, and then the other side where it's just for the look. While I'm working on us sewing that down, I did just want to ask you, if you do enjoy my videos, please consider liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting, and all that good stuff that helps me out if you haven't yet. I really do appreciate each and every comment, subscriber, and everything. So thank you. As I mentioned, you're going to be cutting this a little 6.5 inch piece in half, and that'll give you roughly 3 inches for each of the pieces. And you're going to fold that in half around the little D-ring. That's going to go like that, and then that's going to go on the sides of your bag. Right now, I'm not sewing it on. I would sew it onto the bag on the sides like this. Those little straps, I sew it on the inside, and then I attach the rest of the strap. But right now, I'm just showing you without attaching it to the purse. And then you're going to get that little piece with the little bar in the middle. And you're going to get the raw edge, not the edge that you left pretty. And you're going to go inside from underneath, and then over the bar and back to the inside. So the bar will be underneath your fabric. And then you're going to put it through one of the little D-rings. After putting it through one of those little D-rings, you're going to take that and slide it back the same way. So you're gonna make a second layer underneath your first layer. You're gonna go in from the bottom, over the bar, and then back out to the bottom. And that's gonna create 2 layers of the same thing over the bar. And that's gonna give you that little slidey effect whenever you're moving the adjustable strap. For the edge, you're gonna fold it over, and then you're gonna sew it to the back fabric. So to the back side of that second layer of fabric, as you can see right there, you're just gonna sew it down. I do a little rectangle, and basically you fold in the raw edge and you'll never be able to see it, and you'll have that edge sewn down. Now the other side is very simple. All you're going to do is, this is going to be the side that you made left pretty, and all you're going to do is just put it in the D-ring, flip it, and then you're going to sew it down. Just a little rectangle, just like you did on that other side, and that's how it looks. And then since this is not inside the bag, those two little pieces, I just sewed them down so they don't come apart, and then you can attach it to your bag when you're making the bag. But this is how you make an adjustable strap. And I did just want to say a big thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it was useful for you and you'll be able to make many adjustable straps from now on. And I hope you have a wonderful rest of your night, day, or whenever you're watching, and see you again next time. Bye bye.